Before pairing the Apollo board to device for the first time, please make sure to fully charge the case and the earbuds. Open the cover of the case to take out 2 earbuds. Wait till the red and white light flash alternately on one of the earbuds. Go to your device Bluetooth list, find the Tronsmart Apollo board, and tap to pair. Confirm pair when the Bluetooth pairing request pop-up comes. Wait for a few seconds, it will be paired successfully. In case some unknown issues happened, you can reset the earbuds. Take out the 2 earbuds from the case and wait for the Bluetooth pairing mode. When the red and white light of the earbuds flash alternately, tap and hold the touchpad on earbuds for 5 seconds until the white light flashes 3 times. The earphones have been reset to the default settings. Then put it back to the case for the next time used. You can pair to the device just as the video we mentioned before. In this part, we are going to talk about the touch control on the earbuds. Tap 3 times on either of the earbuds to switch between active noise cancelling mode on, off, and ambient sound mode.
Ambient on.
Tap twice quickly on the left or right earbud to play or pause music. Tap and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds to skip a track. Tap and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds to go back a track. If we want to turn up the volume, just tap the right earbud once each time. Then tap the left earbud to turn down the volume. When you reach the maximum or minimum volume, you will hear beeps. Now about answering calls. You can tap twice on either of the earbuds to answer or end the phone call. Tap and hold for 2 seconds on either of the earbuds to reject the phone call. The Apollo board earbuds also support voice assistant. Just tap once and hold for 3 seconds on the left or right earbud to activate. Enjoy talking.